Guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to check your VANA eligibility. A VANA, which is another airdrop. Let's check our eligibility on our VANA. So you need to go to your Telegram and search for VANA. Click on start, click on play, and this is it. Start, and this is it. Vanadatahero is another airdrop that is outside there. People are farming and say vanadatahero is now closed. So now how do you know if you are there? So for those of you that you have been farming this already, you can just go there. Once you go there, you'll be able to see your eligibility. But for now, I did not farm the season 1, so I wasn't able to do anything there, and it has been closed. For those of you that farmed the season 1, just go there and go and claim your prize. It's very easy and on now. So go and check it. Once check it, you'll be able to see if you are eligible. Now I am not eligible because I did not farm the season 1. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.